Hey guys, in this video, I will give you an in-depth look at Sohnne Vacuum Cleaner. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. First, let's take a look at what the Sohnne Vacuum Cleaner claims to offer. It's marketed as a high-performance, lightweight vacuum designed to handle various surfaces, from carpets to hardwood floors. With promises of powerful suction, long battery life, and advanced filtration, it sounds like a great deal. But does it actually live up to the claims? After analyzing customer feedback and testing the product, here's what we found. The Sohnne Vacuum Cleaner does have decent suction power, especially for small cleaning tasks. It performs well on hard floors and low-pile carpets, but may struggle with deep-pile carpets or heavy debris. The battery life is sufficient for quick cleanups, though some users report it doesn't last as long as advertised. Build quality is another factor to consider. Some customers find the vacuum to be durable, while others mention flimsy parts and occasional malfunctions. Additionally, the filtration system works fine for everyday dust and pet hair, but isn't as effective for deep allergen removal. Now, let's talk about the scam accusations. Some users claim the vacuum didn't meet their expectations, especially compared to high-end brands. Others report issues with shipping delays or unresponsive customer service, which can be frustrating. However, these concerns don't necessarily mean the product is a scam. It just may not be as high-end as some advertisements suggest. So, is the Sohnne Vacuum Cleaner actually legit? Yes, it is a real product that works for light cleaning tasks. However, if you expect top-tier performance or a heavy-duty vacuum, you might be disappointed. It's best suited for small apartments, quick cleanups, or as a secondary vacuum. Before purchasing, check verified reviews and ensure you're buying from an official retailer to avoid potential delivery or return issues. Overall, the Sohnne Vacuum Cleaner is not a scam, but it may not be the best option for everyone depending on their cleaning needs. And that's it.